Hey, does this sound like you? You create a beautiful monthly plan that rolls up to your goals, and you know exactly how you are going to crush your goals this month, only to have the month fly by. And then when you review your plan, you haven't done anything on it. Then you feel really bad because you haven't made any progress towards your goals and done anything that you outlined on your plan. If this sounds familiar or is something that you want to avoid in the future, stick around. I have a great hack for you on how to make your monthly plan stick. My name is Patrina. Thank you so much for being here and being part of the Medical Affairs Strategy Hacks community. We concentrate on helping medical affairs professionals demonstrate their value by improving their strategic thinking, relationship building, and communication skills. Another core component of this is productivity and time management. I know that I am like a broken record on this, but if you do not control your time, somebody else is controlling it for you, and you are not being as impactful as you could be. That is why it is absolutely critical for medical affairs professionals to have a time management system that works for them. Last week, I published a hack with a simple 5-step process on how to create a monthly plan for maximum impact. I'll link that up on top for you. This is really great in setting out that awesome plan so that you know exactly what you're going to do to crush your goals. However, one disconnect that I have seen happen all the time is that people, myself included, spend time creating the plan, and then at the end of the month, they haven't done anything with that plan. They haven't reviewed it or met any of the milestones or done any of the things that they plan on doing. Then they feel like a failure because they're not making the progress that they want or having impact that they want. The disconnect is in linking your daily activities to your bigger monthly plan and goals. We are in a whirlwind of day-to-day craziness with all this information and people demanding our attention coming at us all the time. And simply put, what happens is that our big plans or bigger goals get forgotten about in the day-to-day. So the way to get around that is to take your monthly plan or larger goals and break those down into weekly and daily habits that you can execute on. This will keep your bigger goals and plan top of mind, and so you minimize the chances that you forget about it and then the end of the month rolls around. In my favorite example of being an MSL with a target of having 60 KOL meetings per month, I recommended in that 5-step process to break this down into monthly milestones. In this case, it would be 20 meetings per month, but this can still seem kind of disconnected. Humans are really bad at planning out weeks or months in advance. So instead of just thinking, oh, I need 20 meetings per month, we can start to create a habit by breaking this down further to this would be 5 meetings per week or 1 meeting per day. So then start thinking about, okay, on average, I have 5 meetings per week or 1 meeting per day. Then break this down further into the tasks to make sure those weekly habits are completed. Might be something like, I do 5 hours of outreach per week to get my 5 meetings per week. I follow up every day for 1 hour to make sure that I'm setting my meetings. So again, the key here to avoid that situation where you make this beautiful kick butt plan, but don't execute on it, is to break it down into habits that you could accomplish on a weekly or daily basis. This is going to keep those things top of mind for you. If you like this hack, please be sure to like and subscribe to the Medical Affairs Strategy Hacks YouTube. If you are a productivity junkie like me, or maybe starting your productivity and time management journey, please reach out to me. I love talking to people about this. Check out more great hacks like this on the Medical Affairs Value blog. I'll put the link up above, and be sure to subscribe to my newsletter. I send out weekly notifications of the new content that I produce. Thank you.